Today we're going to be cleaning and decorating the fireplace area in my family room and maybe a couple other spaces too. So let's get started. First, we're going to start by just giving it a good dusting. I like to take the mantle, and I am actually using one of those Swiffer pads, but I'm just using it with my hand here to get all of the loose dust off and all of the debris that's been on here since Christmas time. I'm doing the same thing here with the stove, getting all of the dust off of it. I just like to give it a good cleaning after Christmas time. Get rid of all of the glitter and the little pieces that fall off of the greenery sometimes. And now I'm just using my Mrs. Meyer's cleaner. I am using it in the peppermint scent. And I really like to use the peppermint scent because bugs and spiders and things like that do not like peppermint. So having something with that smell on it will repel those things. So here I'm replacing my runner that I leave up here. I took it down while I had the greenery up, but this is actually just a wide piece of ribbon or lace ribbon that I purchased. I don't know, I got it at one of the craft stores, and I just use that as kind of a runner there. And I'm replacing my iron candle holders here. I haven't had those up since the summertime, I believe. And then I have this new picture from the Hobby Lobby store. I really think it's so pretty. I'm just adding a few pine cones in there. So we're going to come back to that in a little bit. I'm going to put my tiered tray down here. I do have a tiered tray video I did a couple weeks ago. I can link that for you if you are interested in seeing how I decorated that tray. So the top of this stove does not get hot, and it's really nice because you can put some decor pieces on top of it. I'm just sticking this vase with some eucalyptus up here, and then I'm going to add like an antique, kind of a wooden bowl that I purchased at the antique outlet near me, and I just added in some bowl filler to that also. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put my pillows back on my couch now that I've kind of straightened it out and got some of the there was some debris on the couch. I just cleaned that off. And I'm not changing out the covers. I love these covers. They're great for winter. The smaller ones are great for any time. And then I'm just changing my throw here. I can't remember. I think I had the green throw on here at Christmas time, but I just wanted to put this neutral one here on the couch today. last year I gave this table a makeover, and we're just going to give it a good cleaning. I haven't cleaned it in a while, so I really need to clean all over this table today. Sometimes I like to take the same decor that I use in a room all the time and just change it up a little bit, move it from a different spot, from one spot to another, and then that can give you a completely different look. I have this large ottoman, and we do store games and things like that in here. And so I'm just going to put this simple tray on here today, and we're just going to add that little wreath and 3 candles. And these are flameless candles, obviously. And that just makes a simple centerpiece there. You probably did notice that I do still have my Christmas tree up. I just decided to keep it up for a little while longer. I did take all the ornaments off of it and just leave it up with the lights, and it just gives an extra warmth and glow to the room. Just adding in another throw here. We do watch movies back here. We like to turn on the little fireplace, grab a snack and a drink, and curl up with these blankets and watch a movie as a family. So here is another tray that I did in my tiered tray video. I'm setting it on this little table here. And then next to that, I'm going to place my diffuser, my oil diffuser. This is real pretty. I love the glass, and I got this off of Amazon. And you just take this and you just add in some water. We're going to add in the water, and you just add in a couple drops of your favorite oil. This one is called like Serenity something, exactly what I need today. So I'm gonna let that run for just a little while. So this table has been over here for the Christmas season. Since the tree is still up, I'm going to leave it here. I'm just going to rearrange the decorations on it. It moves to the other side of the couch when the tree isn't there. I also have a blanket ladder that I put over there when the tree isn't there. And stay tuned in the spring. I hope to maybe change that up a bit and do a DIY, furniture DIY, and put something else there. So you might want to look for that in the spring if you're interested. I felt the mantle was too sparse, even though I wanted it to be kind of refreshed and clean. I added in these two pieces here, couldn't really decide which I liked better or where. I finally went with the house here, left that up there, and that's how that's looking. And then I took the other piece and I just put it over here on top of my books, and I actually think I like that. Now, we don't put anything else on this table because we do put our drinks on this table when we're back here, so I'm really trying to keep it user-friendly right now. Well, friends, if you have enjoyed my video today, I would sure appreciate it if you would take the time to hit the like button or the thumbs up button. It helps my channel out quite a bit, and if you've enjoyed the video, I would sure love it if you would do that. If you'd like to see more videos from me, I will be doing some more dough bowl decorating soon. You can subscribe to my channel. There will be a link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I definitely appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. And here is another video for you in case you're interested. Have a good day.